Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today I have another haul. Shocker, another haul. So this haul is the items from Scrapbookcom that I was missing from the Willow Lane collection, and some stuff from Family Dollar, and some papers that I forgot to show that I had purchased in Michael's. And I think that's it. So the first store I'm going to show you guys is Family Dollar, and I just picked up, they have like all their summer stuff on clearance, 50% off. So I picked up these cute little dip bowls because I like the way they stand, and it would be cute with like ephemera. And these were 50 cents, originally $1, but 50% off, I got them for 50 cents. So each little dish, which is super cute. Let me see if I can open this. Of course, it's gonna give me a hard time. I'm sorry about the lighting. Once again, it's super late. This is what they look like. Aren't they super cute? And then you could put like little clips or stuff, little ephemera pieces. So I picked up that. And then they also had these rose gold lights. And if you guys watched my previous haul, I picked up some rose gold baskets at Walmart. So when I saw these, I thought they'd be perfect to hang from my shelf. And they're beautiful, you guys. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I love them. I love the geometric, like, what is it? Oh, polygon. The shape of them, it's beautiful. So I picked up those, and they were 50% off as well. So they were only $5. So that was a great deal. And then the last thing I picked up in Family Dollar were these super cute Sugar Rush Centos, and they're like candy scented fine liner pens. Wow, that's a mouthful. So these are the red ones, and I think, let me see, does it say the scent? It doesn't say the scent, but this is the red one. And then I think it's like, I don't know if it's cotton candy or like strawberry. I have no clue. And then there's the pink one. And I guess there was like a series 1 to this because it says series 2. And then I picked up the blue ones, and these were each $1. And I thought they were great to add to Happy Mail. And then, you guys, I finally got my Scrapbook.com order. And now I have most of the stuff that I wanted from the Willow Lane. So I got these cute little dinky dies as well. They were on clearance for like $1.20, $1.40. So I got the little, what is it? Like a little flower. I got this one that looks like a little medal. Like one of those little, yeah, like a medal, right? And then this cute little star. So those were on clearance. I thought they were a good buy. I actually picked up a little balloon, and it last minute said that they no longer had it. So they refunded my money. And then, you guys, I picked up the little decorative fringe, and I cannot believe, like, I really did a good job, you guys, on these. Look at the ones that I made, and look at the ones from Maggie Holmes. They are a little thinner because mine are a little chunkier, but I think I did a pretty good job kind of hacking these, right? Pretty impressed with myself. I like these. These are super cute. I might have to make more. And then, of course, I got the little star trim. This is so beautiful, you guys. I love the gold, and you get so much. You get 5 yards for like $4, which is not bad, especially for like Maggie Holmes. And then I picked up the little frames, which you get 4 of them. Super cute. And then, of course, these standouts. And you guys, these are the things that I was missing when I purchased in Blitsy. And then I just finished up my order at Scrapbook.com. And these are super cute. I love like how dimensional they are. These are super cute. And then I picked up the cut apart sheet, which looks like this. I only picked up one, and I don't know why, but we're just gonna go with it. And then you guys, I picked, this is what the cutter part looks like. That's what you get. And then it's in the back, it says, happiness looks a lot like being with you. So cute. And then you guys, I thought I was purchasing glitter paper, and it's actually not glitter paper. It's a picture of glitter. So that was an epic fail. And this is by Ella and Viv, I think. Never heard of it, but it's just white on the other side, and it's totally not glitter paper. So that's that. And then the last item that I got from Scrapbookcom is the Maggie Holmes gift wrap book. And you guys, I am so excited about this. Like, I was super excited to receive this over everything else. You get 24 pieces of wrapping paper and 12 gift tags. So every piece of paper that comes in the collection comes in a wrapping paper form, which is amazing. So that's that one. Then there's this one, the unicorn one, and I think you get 2 of each. I love this one. And there's this one, and then it repeats. And then you guys, look at the tags. How adorable are the tags? I just wish they would have given like 2 sheets of this, you know, since they give you like 2 of each. But it's just 1 sheet that I know of, right? Yes, it is. It's just 1 sheet. But isn't that adorable, you guys? I absolutely love this. And then the glitter paper, if I can find it, that I picked up. Hold on 1 second. Is this one, and I totally forgot to show this on my last haul, but it's this like neon hot pink, and then like this corally one, and then this rose gold one, and like a vintage gold, and kind of like the iridescent gold, and like a baby pink, and a teal blue. But yeah, you guys, that is my small haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a video, and stay tuned for more entry videos. Stay tuned for possibly okay, let's do that again. Possibly more hauls, and of course, craft with me's. And that's it. Bye guys.